Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Mac Courses with Nagamani.
Today we will see some problems, okay? And they are given f of x function and they are asked to find at x equal to a f of x is continuous or not continuous, where differentiable or not differentiable, okay? If you see the options here, continuous but not differentiable and differentiable but not continuous. If you see these option here,
In yesterday class, we saw the all differentiable functions are continuous functions.
so here this statement is wrong. So we can eliminate this option, and continuous and differentiable both are possible. Neither continuous nor differentiable. It can also possible. So if you see the solution here, for we want to know whether the given function is continuous or not. For this continuous function, then limit extends to, here they want to find at x equal to 4. So 4 minus f of x, which is equal to limit extends to 4 plus f of x, which is equal to f of 4. Then this condition satisfied, f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to 4. So if you see here, limit extends to 4 minus, that means x less than or less than 4. Okay, x less than 4 means we have to take f of x value as this 2x plus 3, and if you substitute in x plus 4, okay, 2 into 4 plus 3, this value, and here f of x extends to 4 plus, that means x is greater than 4. So x greater than 4 means we have to take f of x as this value, okay, and substitute x equal to 4. Okay, 7 plus 16 by 4, and f of 4, that means x equal to 4. X less than or equal to 4, that means x less than 4 and x equal to 4. So we have to take this function 2x plus 3, where x equal to 4, 2 into 4 plus 3. If you see here, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 3, 11. And here 4 4s are 16, 7 plus 4, 11. And here 4 2s are 8 plus 3, 11. So these are all equal. So this condition is satisfied. That means f of x at x equal to 4 is continuous. Okay, continuous function at x equal to 4. Okay, and we have to check whether it is differentiable or not. Okay, for differentiable we have to satisfy this condition, that condition f dash of it, they want to know the at x equal to 4. So f dash of 4 equal to f dash of 4 minus, which is equal to f dash of 4 plus. Then this condition satisfied, f of x at x equal to 4 is differentiable function. So first we have to check f dash of 4 minus. So first we have to find the f dash of x function. Okay, that is, if you see here, they are given f of x is equal to 2x plus 3. So first derivative of this function is 2x plus 3, means here x differentiation is 1. So here coefficient is 2. 2 into 1, 2. And 3 differentiation is constant differentiation is 0. So no need to write when x less than or equal to 4. Similarly here 7 plus 16 by x. 1 by x differentiation is minus 1 by x square. And here 16 is there. Minus 1 by x square into 16, minus 16 by x square at x greater than 4. Okay, and we have to know the f dash of 4 minus, that means 4 minus means x less than 4. This condition satisfied, we have to, so this is the answer. There is no x variable, so this is as constant, f dash of 4 minus, which is equal to 2. And f dash of 4 plus, where 4 plus means x greater than 4. So we have to take this function, here x is there, so we have to substitute in place of x 4. Minus 16 by 4. 4 square is 16. We get minus 1. 2, which is not equal to minus 1. That is f dash of 4 minus, which is not equal to f dash of 4 plus. So the given function f of x at x equal to 4, which is not differentiable. Okay, not differentiable at x equal to 4. So which is continuous but not differentiable. If you see the options continuous but not differentiable, this condition is satisfied. This way we have to find for any given function whether it is continuous or discontinuous.
And we will see the some more problems related to this topic in next class. And thanks for watching.